Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I'm going to show you how I make a skull flower headband. So here we go. Okay, so for this project what I'm going to do is I'm going to first start by making the base of this headband a little bit bigger. Now it does have the holes in, which probably won't be too helpful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a strip of felt and I'm just going to cut a long strip. And I'm going to glue it to the headband. Alrighty, once I glued the strip of felt to the headband, it gives me a little bit more to work with. So next I'm going to take these flowers and I'm just going to pull them off of the stems. I am then going to glue these to the headband. Alrighty, once I glue onto the flowers, this is what they kind of look like. Now, I do have to wait for them to dry because they are in no way ready for the next step. So I will be back when these are dry. Alrighty, so they're pretty dry. The next thing I'm going to do is glue on the black leaves in some of this empty space right here. Alright, so I put all of the leaves in the empty spaces and now it looks a lot more full, which I'm very happy with. And then the last step is to take some of these skulls and place them in the center of the flower and then just glue them in there. So I'm going to take, I think I have 4 flowers, so I'm going to take 4 skulls. And then I'm just going to open up one of the flowers to the middle. And I'm going to put some hot glue onto a skull. Don't exactly know where I have to put it, so we're just going to eyeball it here. And there we go. Now I'm just going to do that to the rest of them. Alright, and then this is what it looks like with all of the skulls in the flowers. I'm actually really happy with it. I think it looks really cute. Now I'm just going to let this dry for a little bit because the hot glue is still pretty warm. But I'm really happy with it. So that is how I created the headband. I think it looks really cool. I'm really happy with it. And that's pretty much about it. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!